We're back with the diamonds and rubies. This time I want to I'm missing the it's like there's like a small plate in here that's like diffusing the light. You can directly see the light in here, but here let's see, there's a small plate behind the button. I have a switch that might fit. At least the inside will fit, so we'll see if that's a good donor. Removing the switch. I think that's a question that a lot of people have when they have a machine like this. It's quite easy, even if you just want to change out the bulb. You need to be a bit careful, but you also need to be a little bit not careful, because you need to put a bit of force on it. Basically, you just pull on it and it comes out. Switch and all, you don't need to disconnect any wires, just pull it out, change the bulb, and just push it back in until it clicks, and then it's back in there. That's it. But for now, we're gonna take out this, and then all the switches work the same. So it's like even if you want to do the switches on the front, like the start switch, the select switch, like that, doesn't matter, they the same. Just pull them out, and then removing them from the cabinet, just twist the ring. Sometimes it can be a little bit tight. In that case, you need some pliers to apply some force. So this is the switch. Like I said, all the switches, they basically are the same. So even if this is a small switch or a bigger switch, for example, so this is from a bigger machine. A bigger button. This is a bigger button. As you can see, it's different size, but basically they are the same. So the switch is here, just pull it out. I have to point out the more modern switches can be different, but the older switch style is just like that. Push in and then pull out. Let's put it here, these are together. But basically they are the same. You can see it's not much of a difference, even the thread is the same. So if you want to remove it, you're not gonna, don't do this, please don't do this, you're gonna break the plastic. It's really easy. Once you have it out, just push in the two clips here and push them a little bit through, and then you can see it's coming out. That's it. Make sure you save the spring. That's it. You see it's really dirty. You should wash this with some detergent, some soap. Just make it clean, remove all the dirt, because this is why they usually stick. Maybe somebody spilled some beer or Coke or whatever. Anyhow, maybe you want to get inside here. It's really easy also, at least for a small one. I don't know this one, I didn't open this one before. Yeah, you can just put your nail in here and then click it open. As you can see, it's quite dirty. This is the thing you really need. Save this, otherwise you see the light shining through. Okay, so this is the part, As you can see, I think this is... I never took this off before. I have a small spatula. Maybe I'm doing this completely wrong, but I'm not sure if you can take this out actually. Yeah, you can. I got something better. Hopefully. Just have to be very careful. Don't break it. Be patient. I'm just showing this because I see a lot of people, they do this the wrong way. They want to clean the switch and they just make a mess. They break everything. Wait. I'm not saying I'm doing it right, but then I need to get this out. Come on. It's really stuck in there, you know? See, it's coming now. Oh, that's it. In one piece. So you can clean this carefully, because you don't want to damage the... As you can see, there's some... It's dirty inside. I don't know how they get dirty inside here, but now you can clean this one. You can even polish it if you want. Yeah, you don't need to replace this. You can polish it with like a fine car polish will do, like a very fine one, or toothpaste. It's like polishing a car headlight. It's like the same. Basically, it's just plastic. So that's it. And then just going back as it was. Back together, make sure you, I don't know how it was, but something like this. Okay, so this first, and then, ooh, of course it's popping out. Oops, it's probably the wrong way now, but I don't know which way it was, but it doesn't matter, it's just old switch. It's like that. Closed. Putting the spring back is also not that difficult. Just push it a little bit in and then just tighten with your fingers at the end and then insert them into the... As you can see, the spring will stay in place, otherwise your spring is like this and you will be fighting the spring to get this in because it doesn't fit. So just push it in a little bit, insert, check if it's the right... Yeah, this is wrong, it needs to be like this. Forget anything? No. Like that, and then we're back in business. Quite easy if you know what you're doing. That's it. Anyhow, this is where we started. Same thing. Push it in. Sometimes need some convincing. Yeah. Okay. You see the lens is missing. It's like a diffuser lens or something. It's completely missing. I think they tried to change out the bulb through the front, and that's not the way you're supposed to do that. You can see here there's some markings from a screwdriver. Just take the time and open the back, take out the switch, replace the bulb, that's it. Don't destroy this for no reason. Okay. I got a replacement switch, but I just found out it's not the right size. It's a new switch. Looks almost the same, but it's a little bit, the new one is a little bit smaller, you see? I will take it apart. It's more easy to see that one. Even the spring is different. It's almost the same, but the size of the this is what I bought it for. But you can see it's not really the same size. Damn, it's just a few millimeters, but it does fit. I can use it. I think I can use it like this. It should be fine. If it's not, yeah, maybe it's not held in place anymore. If you do it like this, it's easy to come out, I think. Yeah. That's the problem. If it's supposed to be, it's like this, it fits over the edge and then it's being held into place by the glass, so it doesn't move. But in this case it just can totally move around, so not ideal. I cannot find, I checked the size, but I cannot find anything that fits almost perfectly in the in here. I cannot find anything that comes close to this size. It's like 27 to 27 millimeters, and these are 25, which is more common than this. So we'll just have to do it like that. Yeah, it's not the way it should be, but it's gonna look, yeah, like it should. It should hold fine, I think. Looks better like this. It's not perfect, but if it works, it works. Alright, I can put this back together. Hold on a second. It's a bit dirty on the inside. Let me just clean it up real quick. That's better. Squeaky clean. That's it. Put my donor back together. Never know what it's good for. Oh. It's a little bit more flexible than my old one. Yep. Nope. Okay. Let's put it back in the machine. Way better. Okay. There's a small thing sticking out here, like that. That goes here, obviously. So, like that. So this, just tighten this back up. I did that already, and then your light and your switch, like that, back in place. Yeah, there we are. Back with a nice white background, no longer looking at the light. Perfect.